Hi, we are Group 1 and our project is on Choristers Guild's Inventory Management System. I am Naresh and my team members are Sisma, Sengeboy, Suzu and Young Chao. In this presentation, we are going to discuss about the problems in the existing system of Choristers Guild and the solutions for the same. Firstly, what is Choristers Guild? Choristers Guild was founded in Los Angeles by Ruth Jacobs. It is a non-profit organization which sells choir music, bell music and other compositions. It is a small-scale company that has about 20 stable employees and some hourly employees too. They have their own website through which they offer the below specified services like membership, licensing, camps and other stuffs. In this project, we have not considered about their website, but only about their inventory system. There are two major problems in the existing system. One is inventory mismatch and the other one is time consumption. Inventory mismatch is the mismatch between the inventory on the shelf and the inventory on the system. This happens on two occasions. When a customer places an order for a product that is currently not on the inventory, then the quantity of the product on the inventory in the system goes down to a negative value. Also, when a customer returns a product, it is not getting updated in the system. And whenever the update happens, it is not happening real time. The second problem is time consumption. Time consumption happens when there are hundreds of new items that are to be added to the system. Numerous details are to be filled for each item that is to be added to the system. Entering all the details manually to the system is time consuming. So our analysis is about these problems and how to solve these problems. Sengeboy will take you ahead from here.
I'll talk about the problem that we were just mentioned in a technical way, but I'll try to explain them in human language. The first diagram is called context diagram. It shows who is interacting with the system. As you can see, there are not many interactions between shipping assistant and the system. That means shipping assistant is rarely using the system. Also, after shipping assistant sends the package, he or she is not able to update inventory quantity. That leads to mismatch of the quantity on shelf and the quantity in database. And another problem happens when order clerk adds new product into system. He must manually type in everything about the product. I'll show you why it is time-consuming in later slide. Here we come to use case diagram. It is a representation of users' interactions with the system. In common sense, we need update inventory quantity after add new product and cancel order. However, in current system, the only way to update quantity is done manually by clerk. These independent use cases give lots of updating work to clerk. This is the class diagram for current system. There are some technical problems. In later slide, Yang will show you the way we're improving it. This is database design. Please take a look at product database and inventory database. Once clerk adding new product, he or she will have to type in every variables into product database and inventory database. That causes time-consuming problems. Next, Sisma will talk about proposed system.
Hi. As we have already discussed the main problems in the current system, we know that there are many loopholes. Our objective here is to keep the system structured, time efficient and error free. Since this is a very small company, there are a lot of processes which happen manually and are not automated. The first change we propose is to provide an electronic notification to the clerk when the inventory has no product. There is going to be an email notification to assistant about the new order which is placed instead of the order slip which is used in the current system. Another change is the addition of new items to the system through an Excel sheet. Once the Excel file is imported in the software will add the product details directly to the database. This will save a lot of time for the assistant. Finally, to improve the overall efficiency of the system, we propose barcode scanners to be introduced in the system. We propose an automated process of barcoding which will make the whole process very structured and efficient. To implement this, the company can print out the barcodes for each product using the printers they already have. This will make the process cost effective as well. Each shelf and product will have a barcode, and whenever an assistant has to check out or check in a product, the assistant can scan the barcode. This will keep track of all the products which are shipped out and returned to the company. Also, finding products to add quantities will become less time consuming. Now, Yang will talk a bit about the UML diagrams.
In the processed context diagram, our team members do some changes in the current system. We update inventory notification to notify new order fulfilled and update inventory status as well. The procedures are completed by shipping assistant. In the proposed use case diagram, which explain the changes in more details, take it for example, the inventory will update quantity and also cancel customers' orders through new functions, such as scan barcode function. The new function that we will use is called include method. Moreover, if the inventory is much lower than we had expected, the updated system would systematically notify shipping order clerk to process that order. On the other hand, the shipping assistant would also print product through extend method and process the customer's orders. The next slide is our team proposed class diagram. As you can see from the slide, we do some significant design according to our new system. Please pay attention carefully to the barcode database table and add product table. Remember what I said before in the last slide? We add some new function in the system, which is called barcode scan function. In the barcode database table, we add a new field like barcode number as table identifier and the product ID from the product table as foreign key as index. As you would notice that two tables, product and the barcode, are one-to-one relationship, so that we can use barcode scan function. It would update automatically without operation by hand. By the way, we also think about data which were stored in old system. We could use import external sheet from add product table. Through this, we could import history records from former system in order to save our lots of time and energy. Furthermore, the two tables relationship between add product and product are one-on-one, so that there is no more mismatch record in new system.
Here is our proposed database design. Basically, we add a barcode database in the system. Barcode database references product database. Every barcode in the barcode database is associated with each product ID. By scanning a barcode, all the information of product is shown in the system. Each item which comes in and goes out will be scanned. The company can keep track of all products which are shipped and are returned. Adding a barcode database can make the whole process efficient. In the last slide of our presentation, we want to talk about the advantages of the proposed system. First, the new system
can automatically notify the assistant to fulfill order. When a new order is placed, an email notification is sent to the assistant. We add scanning function to update inventory so that inventory can be updated in real time. We want to use barcode technology to realize the scanning function. By using barcode scanners, the company can keep track of the inventory whenever there is a change of amount. Barcode improves the efficiency of the system. It also automates the system, which reduces manual error. Finally, adding new items to the system can be facilitated by using an Excel sheet, which will reduce the time consumption. That's the end of our presentation. Thank you.